So guys, this video is gonna be about me explaining how you can do your top-down analysis from your daily time frame to your entry time frame, which is gonna be 15 minutes in this case because that is what I use as my entry time frame. And I'll also be explaining how you will be able to refine your order block. Do you understand, from the higher time frame towards the lower time frame, because that has actually been a very hard situations for a lot of new traders. Do you understand? So this video is actually for you if you actually have problems in switching time frames to your entry time frames, and also in adjusting or refining your order block from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. So this video is actually for you. So just make sure that you stay tuned and watch the video from the beginning to the end, so you'll be able to understand how it is applied in real time as well. So without further ado, let us just dive into the video.
So what we'll be looking at right now is the top-down analysis on GBP USD. This particular trade was taken on my Telegram channel recently. So if you're in the Telegram channel, this is also an opportunity for you to see how the trade was broken down using what top-down analysis. So at the top-down analysis, we are going to be making use of time frames, which is from the higher time frames to the entry time frame. Your entry time frame can be 1 hour, can be 45 minutes, can be 30 minutes, or can be 15 minutes. But my own entry time frame is what is 15 minutes. So that means what I'll be doing is to looking at the chart from the higher time frame, getting the information that I want to get. Do you understand? At the higher time frame, seeing what I'm supposed to be seeing and extracting information that are very vital to what to to whatever decision I'm going to be taking at the end of the day on my entry time frame, which is the 15 minutes. So this is weekly. So if you check during the weekly or daily, let me switch to daily because commonly I make use of daily a lot. Do you understand? Now, if you can check here during the daily time frame, this is the last the previous high that we are having. And if you can check right now, I'm coming. Let me clear this. Let me clear this. So and if you can check right now, if I can draw this, let me draw this level to this place here. Do you understand? Let me name it as what as my resistance level. You can see that what the price did, price reacted to this level. Price reacted to what to this level. Let me zoom all the way so you can see it. You can see there that price reacted to what to that level. So I what you will be thinking now when doing total analysis is what is okay, price is reacting to that level now. So the information that I are gathering is that we will be going what will be going down, right? That is the market will be moving down right now. Before you can see the initial movement of the structure. Do you understand? It was going higher low, higher low, which is signifying the buyers are what are in the market. But when price now is reacting to this particular previous level here and started to what come all the way down, you can see this week you're having. That means you are trying to gather what information are what it seems the structure of the market is about what is about to change. So you've seen the importance of what the top down analysis. Now let us go to what 40. Okay, before we go to 45 minutes, what you will do is what is to map out what your last break of structure. When you map out your last break of structure, if that's your last break of structure, right? What will you do? You will map out what your order block, right? Please take note, the market was around this region when I was doing this analysis. So I'm showing you what a particular trade using this top-down analysis to explain how the analysis, when you want to do top-down analysis, how it is done. Do you understand? And you can go to the Telegram channel to check it out. Do you understand? Today is Monday. Today is what? Today is today is Monday. That's July 14th. So you can go to the channel to verify and see the trade itself. So when you can after marking this order block on on the daily time frame, like I said, don't forget top down analysis. We move from the hard time frame to the entry time frame. So you move daily time frame, 4 hours time frame, 2 hours time frame, 1 hour time frame, 45 minutes time frame, 30 minutes time frame, and 15-minute time frame. Leave out this 3 and 1 minute time frame. They are executional movement. I use 3 minute time frame to do. So for now, we'll be looking at the 4 hour time frame, the daily time frame towards to the 15 minutes time frame. So let us move to 4 hours time frame. Have you seen we are shifting, right? And as you are shifting time frame, what are you going to be doing? You also be refining what you'll be refining your order block, right? And if you watch my previous video, I have told you that the order block is what is the last candlestick, be it the buy or sell candle before an impulse candle. If you can see, this is the last candlestick before this impulse candle, right? So what you will do, you will refine it to what you refine it according to what the 4 hour time frame is giving. If you move to the 2 hour time frame and you're having a different thing, refine it again to that same analogy. So that is how top down analysis what is being done, right? So after when we've come all the way down here, let us look at what is happening around here. When market tap this area, this first, when market tap this as the first instance, right? When market tap that at the first instance, you can see what it did. It reacted here, came all the way down here, went back all the way up. Can you see it? It went back all the way all the way up. So you can mark this as your as your last order block on the 2 hour time frame, right? You can mark that the order block as the 2 hour time frame. The market was start rejecting all the way down, breaking what this origin that created this break of structure in the first place. So what will you be having? You'll be having your change of character. So this is how top down analysis is done. You need to follow those time frames strictly till you get your time frame that you make your decision. You can see what the price continues to do. Price continually to break structure to the downside. So all those information, you make sure that you keep on analyzing them, you keep on taking note of all those information. So whatever we are doing on the 4 hour time frame, we've gotten the final information on the 4 hour time frame. What will you do? You switch back to 2 hour time frame. Let's go to our other block. Can you see what you do again? You will refine it to to the last candlestick before an impulse candle. Can you see last candlestick here before an impulse candle? In this I am higher time frame to lower time frame. Have you seen what I'm just doing? I'm just only getting the what I'm noticing what the break of structure, the change of character, the other block. For now, leave the liquidity, leave the fair value gap. Your liquidity and your fair value gap, you will get that at the what at the entry time frame. Do you understand? Because as you are moving to higher time frames, the more you move to lower time frames, structures continues to to spread out. Do you understand what I'm saying? So that what you will just keep on doing. Keep on noticing what the change of structure, keep on noticing break of structure, keep on noticing market structure shift, keep on noticing what other blocks. So that's your assignment that you'll be doing on top down analysis. That's from the higher time frame to entry time frame. If you can see this, I adjusted this, do you understand, to this because we are going to be using a full body candle for the break of structure. So if you see from this level again, what the price did again, price broke the structure to the downside. Can you see how the top down analysis is being done? Right now, when we have gotten to 2 hours time frame, everything that we need to mark, right? We've already marked it. Don't forget this trend that is coming all the way down. We've gotten it from our daily time frame by checking where the price actually was, where the price was before this current movement. Do you understand? So have you seen that everything is still everything is still coming down to to we taking a sell, right? So let us keep on doing what we are doing on top down analysis. Have you seen I moved again to 1 hour time frame? Let us move to our order block and refine it. Have you seen it is still at that place, the last candlestick before this impulse candle. So let us refine it to the week. Then let us go to where price is currently and see what we are doing. So look at this place again. This is your last break of structure again to to the downside, right? As you can see it, we are having another one around this region again. Your last break of structure to to the downside. You can all see it. This is your last break of structure to the downside. So what you are going to be doing, do you understand what you are going to be doing? Because price was around this place here when I was doing this analysis. Price, let me mark it out. Price was around this region when I was doing this analysis. Do you understand? So what I did was to what you will do rather is to map out the other block that causes this break of structure, which I said last candlestick before this impulse candle, right? So this is on 1 hour time frame. So what will you do? You will go to what, to the 45 minutes time frame. You can see how we are adjusting time frames. This is how top down analysis is what is done. Right now, if you check right now, this is the information that we're having right here. So keep on refining it. As you refine what, as you change time frames, keep on what, refining your order block to the same analogy, which is the last candlestick before an impulse or before an impulse candle. Now if you check price, this is the order block for what, for 45 minutes, right? Let's go to 30 minutes again. Can you see how I'm switching time frames? Now if you check this that you're having here, right, you're having, I said, the last candlestick before what, before an impulse candle. But based on what is inside here, right, refine it to this. Can you see it? You are what, you are refining it to that. Now let's go to the 15 minutes time frame, which is our what, which is our entry time frame. Have you seen? What will you do again? You will refine it to what, to this last candlestick. I said bullish or bearish candle before what, an impulse candle. So what you will do is to what, is to refine it again on what, on your entry time frame, and what, and see how price is what, how price is acting. So you can see on the, we have successfully gotten what, the perfect structure on the entry time frame, that what, that price is what, that price is moving, which is what, which is the downward side, right? So what we are doing after, when we've considered this last break of structure, do you understand? This pullback has showed us already that this is our what, this is our liquidity what, our liquidity zone. Do you understand? You map out what, you map out your liquidity zone. Can you see it? Our order block is still in place. Do you understand? So price, like I told you, price was around this level when what, when this analysis was done. I said again, check the Telegram channel. You will see that what, that this analysis was taken on what, on Monday, which is July 14th. Do you understand? So when you see this, you will now realize that okay, you, what will you be expecting? You'll be expecting price to what, to take out this or this liquidity. There's a fair value gap in between this liquidity and this order block here. There's a little fair value gap around that place, which mark, which price what, will still come and what, will still come and fill. If you watch my previous videos, I have told you when and where you should put what, where you should put your take profit, which is the last what, last low of this, and wherever you draw your order block, the last candlestick beneath that what, beneath that order block should be your point of what, should be your point of stop loss. So what will you do? You will place your you will mark your what, you will mark your execution here. Like I said it already, is the what, last low. You put it at that last place. You don't need to come and put it here, because at times price might want to just come to your stop loss area to just 1 or 2 pips, then to stop here. But if you kind of give it a little bit of space to breathe, do you understand, it will be actually, it will be good. So what will you do? You will trace it all the way to what, all the way to this TP area here. So that's what we are having, and you can see price reacted. What did it do? It kind of came all the way up here, kind of almost stopped us out, but we're patient because we know when and how to what, when and how to trail stop. We don't just trail stop anyhow on my Telegram group. So if you want to know how to trail stop very well on my Telegram group, you can join the Telegram group. Do you understand? Also add me on Instagram, also on TikTok. I do live session on TikTok every Sunday 7 p.m. So I'll be explaining all these things too in a nutshell. So you can see we held the trade all the way down, and what the price did, price eventually was smashed, what, smashed the TP. This was actually a very frustrating trade, because you can see all these weeks, you can see all this movement. It was not, it was actually what, testing our psychology. And with you building what, building an excellent what, psychology in the market, you won't be what, you won't be scared of what, of going out or of being stopped out, because you know that is what market does on a general what, on a general basis. So with this analysis that I've done, you can see how we move from daily time frame to what, to the entry time frame, which is the 15-minute time frame. You can see as we are moving to the lower time frame from daily to 4 to 2 hours to 1 hour, what will you do? You will keep on refining what, your order block, which is the last candlestick before an impulse candle.